Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix corrupted game file on Steam. In order to fix it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. I'll be showing you a couple of different methods you could try on to fix it. First of all, you actually want to launch open Steam and go to the library sections. As you go to library, you want to locate the particular game that's having issue. Right click on the mouse and go to properties. As you go to properties, then you want to go ahead and click on update, or maybe if you see something like this, then you want to go ahead and update it, and that should be able to fix. You want to make sure to complete it to 100% and only then close this tab. Now then try launching and see whether the issue is being solved or not. The other thing you also want to do is here, while you're on the same page, click the Steam icon from the top of the page and go and click on check for Steam client update. If there seems to be any update available, then it could be able to solve your issue as well after completely updating it. So if not, you want to do the same thing. Click on Steam from the top right, you go to settings, and then you want to go to the download sections. On this field, you actually want to go ahead and scroll down and click on clear download cache. Now this is going to log you out of your account, but if you're sure about it, click on confirm and close this, and then it's going to automatically take you to this field. That means it's going to exit, and here as well, come to the show hidden icons and make sure to close this or exit this out, and this is going to help you out to fix it so as well. If the issue still persists on, however, after doing all these methods, then you actually want to do is here, you want to go ahead and locate Steam. So open the search box, locate Steam, right click on the mouse and go to open file location. When you go to Steam file, then you want to do is right click on the mouse once again, and once again do the same thing, open file location. Here you have Steam, right click on the mouse and go to properties. As you go to properties, you want to come to this compatibility tab. Make sure that run this program in compatibility mode as well as run this program as an administrator is selected, and click on apply, click OK, and then that should be able to fix. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, then the other alternative way is to simply uninstall it and then reinstall the updated version that will be able to solve your issue all at once. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.